Hello guys and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 8 WhatsApp hidden features you need to know. Okay, first thing you're going to do is assume you have a WhatsApp app on your phone. If you don't have a WhatsApp app on your phone, it then means you're going to go to download it on Google Play. Okay, so I have the WhatsApp on my phone. The very first thing you're going to do is to open the app. Okay, then you go to these 3 dotted lines. Then you go down to settings. When you go down to settings, you see chats, you open up chat. Okay, so the first WhatsApp feature I'm going to show you is the theme feature. Okay, you can turn it on to light or dark. Okay, so it's already in light. If you want to turn it to dark, you just tap on dark, then you go to OK, and it will automatically turn your background to dark. Okay, the theme will be turned to dark. Hope you guys are seeing this. So this is the same feature, dark feature. If I want to go back to light, what I'm going to do is to go here again, then tap on it. Okay, then go back to light, then okay, so it automatically turns to light theme. Okay guys, so the next I'm going to show you is the wallpaper feature. Still on the same line where the theme is, just go here to the wallpaper. Okay, so this is the wallpaper we already have here. So if you want to change it, you can tap on change. Okay, then you can choose any of this wallpaper. Take for instance, if I want this, what I'm going to do is to tap on it and choose any theme I want here. Okay, take for instance, if I want to choose this theme, I tap on this theme. So once I tap on this theme, this is how my WhatsApp wallpaper will look like. So if I want to go ahead to have this theme, I'll go ahead to tap on set wallpaper. Okay, so this is automatically how my WhatsApp wallpaper is going to look like. Let's go back to my WhatsApp proper. Let me open up a group here. We're going to have this wallpaper here. Hope you guys are seeing this. Okay, so this is how the effect of the wallpaper we did. Okay, this is the effect of the wallpaper. So this is how the background is going to look like when we are chatting, okay, with on a group or on a personal chat. Okay, so that's for the wallpaper. Let's go back to settings. Okay, so if you want to still go back to the default wallpaper, we still go here, you tap on chat, then you go to wallpaper. Let's set it back. You go to change and you can set it to the default wallpaper. Okay, so this is the default wallpaper. You go to set wallpaper and change it. Okay, then we have our default wallpaper. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you is the media visibility. Okay, it means if you want media, something like picture or video, to automatically be downloaded in your device, this takes care of it. Okay, and it takes care of the overall chat on your WhatsApp. Okay, I've once showed you guys how to turn on and turn off media visibility in a chat or in a group. Okay, but this has to do with taking care of the whole chat on your WhatsApp. Okay, if you don't want pictures or media to automatically download in your device, okay, overall, what you are going to do is to turn this off. So I turned this off because I don't want it. Okay, so with this, no media or video will be downloaded into my device. Every media, video or photo remains in the WhatsApp app. Okay, but if I want it to be downloaded automatically in my device across all my chats, what I'm going to do is to turn this on. You turn this on. Okay, but if you don't want it, you turn that off. Okay, so this is called media visibility. So you guys can see show newly downloaded media in your phone gallery. So we don't want it in our phone gallery. I don't want it in my phone gallery. Okay, across all my chats. So that is why I turn it off. Okay guys, so the next feature I'm going to show you guys is the font size. Okay, tap on the font size. If you want your chat font to be small, okay, you turn it to small. So you guys can see it has turned it to small. If you want it to be medium, you turn it to medium, as you guys can see. And if you want it to be large, okay, want it to be large, you turn on large, and it will automatically turn every font in your chat or on WhatsApp large. Okay, so I want the medium size. Okay guys, so this is the medium size. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you is the star message feature. The star message feature. Okay, take for instance, in a group or even in a personal chat, if you want to star a message, maybe you don't want to forget. Okay, take for instance any group you want. Let's look for a group. You can decide to star any message you don't want to forget. Let's look for a message and star on this group. Okay, so I want to start this message. Okay, so once you tap and hold it highlighted, then you go to the star, okay, button here to star the message. So once it's starred, as you guys can see, it's starred. So this is a kind of reminder, okay, of what you don't want to forget. You can find this message in star messages. So if you want to still refer back to this message, you could always go to star messages, and what you're going to do is to find your star messages. Once you open your WhatsApp app, you go to the three dotted lines here and you go to start messages, then you tap on it, then it will show you every star messages you've starred. Take for instance, I starred only one message and here is the star message. So it helps you keep the messages you don't want to forget. Okay, that is the essence of starring your message. Still on the WhatsApp app, the next feature is the status feature. I'm going to show you guys something. Tap on status, then you go to any status to view. So what this does is to hold a status. Take for instance, you want to hold this picture. What you're going to do is to go down here, go up here, then tap on it. So once you tap on it, it's going to hold the status for you to view. Okay, because if you leave it like that, it's going to move fast. So to prevent that from moving fast, you just go to the three dotted lines and tap on mute. Okay, then it will mute each view for you to view it very well. It will mute each media, okay, to view very well. But once you go down here and click on back, it removes it and it moves. Okay, so this is for this. All right, the next feature I'm going to show you is also on the chat button. Okay, you go to these three dotted lines and tap on settings. Okay, so once you tap on settings, you're going to go to notification, then you tap on notification. Okay, so the first here is message notification. It's on default message notification. That is if you want a notification tone in your message. Okay, if you don't want it, if you want silent, you can just tap on this, okay, and go to none. Okay, so once you go to none, you're going to turn off every notification. Okay, it will be silent. Okay, so once, or you can as well choose every other tones or notification tones you want here, then you click on okay. Okay, take for instance, let's go to African dance. If you click on African dance, okay, you just choose go to okay to get this tone. Okay, but if you don't want it, you can still go there and click on none. That is if you want it to be automatically silent. Okay, click on none, then you go to okay and you click on okay. All right, still on the notification, this has to do with message. Okay, private message. Still on the notification message, you can also choose to vibrate. You can also choose to notification pop-up, okay, for your message, your WhatsApp message. You can choose no pop-up depending on the one you want. You can always choose and tap on the one you want. Okay, for me, I want no pop-up. Okay, but if you want only when screen is on, or only when screen off, or always show pop-up, you can just choose the one you want here. Then this is also has to do with the lights of your message. Okay, you can choose any of the lights you want here. All right, then going to notification in terms of group, it's almost the same thing. This has to do with your message, okay, your private chat, and this has to do with your group, okay. So if you don't want group notification tone, you can also silence it by choosing none or any other notification tone you want to choose. Then you go to OK. It's similar to the previous message notification I showed you guys. So it's applicable to these, and it's also applicable to your calls, okay, your WhatsApp calls. If you want a default ringtone, if you want in terms of WhatsApp calls, this takes care of it. You go to ringtone, you tap on it, okay. And if you want to go to none, you can also go to none. And if you want to choose any of the ringtones here, you can as well do that. Then click on OK to activate that. Okay, guys, so that is basically the feature or features I decided to show you guys. Okay, for those that don't know that all this feature exists on WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is, has amazing features, that could make your chatting experience, worthwhile. So I felt I should show you guys for those that don't know. Okay, just try out all those features I showed you. And please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you guys, and see you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.